I heard the quail earlier. That is not a quail. I didn't see before, but I can see the squall coming down just above the rocks. I don't think it's blowing this way. Let's see. Oh, no, it's heading east, and that's looking east, so I shouldn't get that deluge. I think it's accumulating overhead because I'm starting to feel a few raindrops on the top of my head. Thankful that it's not torrential wind. Is rain no, wind? I don't think is torrential. I think rain is torrential. I'll have to look that one up. I like over the hill. I can see the rain coming down against the blue sky. It reminds me of watercolor painting. When the color bleeds into the wet paper.